So we're at Sydney Fish Market and Ray introduced us to some cheap lobster. We just arrived at Sydney Fish Market and we just parked the car. We're gonna follow the boss around. She's gonna lead us to our lobster. Check out all these shops. There's plenty of them around. They all sell seafood. A lot of them are open to the public. You can buy your seafood here fresh, and some sell bulk Christie's. There's a lot of people here because it's a weekend at the moment. I love to come here often because here is the best place to get the freshest seafood in Sydney, and there's a lot of variety and there's a lot of shops to choose from. You can walk around and see what's best for you. I believe inside this building they do auctions every morning. Don't quote me on that, I might be wrong, but I believe that's where they auction their tuna and their prize fish for wholesalers to sell to restaurants, and then the restaurants can sell it back to the public. There's also more seafood shops on the right, and it's not just the ones that we saw before. There's a lot of competition here, and that makes the price really affordable for you to buy your freshest seafood. So we're coming towards this fruit stand. This fruit stand sells a lot of fruit and lime, good for when you finish eating, you just want to eat some fruit. We're now entering towards the entrance of this building, and this building contains a lot of other stores that sell you seafood, but they also have a lot of food that is prepared for you, fried seafood and fried fish. There's also fresh oysters and fresh sashimi fish that you can buy in this section, and they have tables for you to eat on the spot. So we just arrived at Christie's. That's the place that I got introduced for my cheap lobster. Oh yeah, here comes my lobster. Come on, grab it out, mate. Get me that lobster. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, nice size. They say it's about 600 to 700 grams for this $50 lobster, and I reckon that's a really good price. Here's my lobster in the orange basket. There's a line of them behind the counter that other people have ordered it. Our ginger and shallot lobster with the noodles just came out. It took approximately 20 minutes before it was ready. Our lobster just came out. Looks delicious. Got some noodles with it. Oh. It's pretty good, very creamy. Fresh. So the lobster was on sale, $60. Lobster with noodles. What a bargain. It looks like everyone got the ginger and shallot as well. I think that's the best tasting one. It just brings out the freshness. Okay, how can we crack this shell? This looks hard. We didn't even bring a nutcracker. How are we gonna crack it? Oh yeah. I think the best way is the teeth. Warning! Using your teeth to crack lobster shell can be damaging to your teeth if you eat them frequently. Use alternate methods if there is available, or be prepared and bring your own nutcracker. Wang it! Like and subscribe please.